जय जगन्नाथ, जय जय जगन्नाथ।
All glories to Lord Jagannath, Jai Jagannath. His Holiness, the Sankaracharya of the seat of Govardhana Pit, is there on the floor of the chariot Nandi Ghosha, is making round of all the chariots as a matter of his protocol. First he alighted the chariot of Ganesh Subhadra and then on to the chariot here, and there is no ritual, and he doesn't do any ritual there. It's a practice that is there for hundreds of years. And he is Nishchilananda Saraswati. He became monk at the age of 17. He studied Vedic mathematics in Delhi, and he is by all standards the greatest living exponent of Vedic mathematics right now. And he is the 145th pontiff of the Govardhana Pitha. Some also call it Govardhana Matha. So 145th on the line, and he is a highly respected pontiff known for his utmost simplicity. And he is the president of Mukti Mandapa, the body of the learned Brahmins. And he is accompanied by the Danda Swamis or the Dandis. They are wielding the sticks. He comes and makes rounds on the chariots to offer his obeisance, but no rituals. Only thereafter the Gajapati Maharaja has to come for the ritual of Chera Pahara or the holy sweeping. And he is helped by the other Dande Swamis of the Matha, the Govardhana Pitha. Monastic institutions and monastic orders or monasteries or mutts were started all over the place for years. About 100 are left, and now that we find very few are left, but only 26 of the existing ones are directly connected to the running of the rituals of Sri Jagannatha temple these days. And particularly the mutt or the pitha that he belongs to, Sri Nishchilananda Saraswati, they have the motto Pragyanam Brahma or Pragyanam Brahma, that is the consciousness, the divine consciousness is the only truth. That is what is impregnated into the rituals of followed in the temple of Lord Jagannatha here at Puri. And when Lord Jagannatha was coming in Pahandi, his regal style of walking down the stairs or even the grand road to alight the chariot, the movement explained the theory of Pragyanam Brahma. There is none